Grabe. Yawa, tako na yung pagod ko sa paglalakad ah. Puro yung pawis ko. Grabe, yung dami kong pawis. Since wala daw ako exercise. Exercise ang tawag dyan. Nato extra challenge ko. First time kong bumili ng, sumakay ng train na mag-isa. Buti na lang, call a friend tayo kanina. Dahil hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ticket ang bibilin ko. Ang dami kong subang dun sa screen. Subang alam, ewan mo isa kung ano, isa sa Jaya. Pupunta ako ng subang. Gusto ko, lahat na yata ng $1 ko, sinok ko na dun sa train, ayaw pa rin tanggapin. Yawa. Buti na lang kamo, call a friend ako, dahil hindi ko rin talaga alam kung anong pipiliin ko dun sa screen. Yung pala, mali na yung ginagawa ko. Mali. Dapat pala, USJ 21. Diba? Buti na lang nandun si Maria. Vanessa. Okay. Kung hindi, dual. Baling ticket ang nabili ko. May nag-aantay na po ako ng train. Tagal. Ayun siya. Tatanong lang ako, hindi ko oh guys, may naiwan na bag. Teka, habuli ko si Uncle. Uncle, is this your bag? Tangina, he doesn't hear me. He left his bag in the train station la. Need to follow him ha. Ayo. See? He left his big bag. How? Where's Uncle? Uncle gone. Wait, let's go to this one. We surrender the bag because the owner don't know ma. Okay, wait I talk to them. The old guy riding in the train, he go and then he left his bag. Yeah, I don't know ma. I following him but he's gone. Can you see? He's sitting in the chair but he left this bag very big. How? I don't know what's inside. I left to you ah. Thank you. Can I go back? Huh? Yeah, the guy, he's sitting beside this bag. He old guy. And then he go out. And then he left the bag. I don't know why. And then I ran. Yeah, I follow him. I tried to shout, Uncle, your bag you left. And then he never looked back. And then just left. I don't know what's here.
This one you found at where?
And the train, inside the train.
Oh, inside the train.
No. He's sitting beside this bag, the old guy.
This bag at the platform or inside?
Inside the train, he's sitting beside. He's sitting, a guy sitting. And then this bag beside him. And then when the train opened, he left the bag inside the train. That's why I ran to him and said, Uncle, your bag you left. But he never looked back. He just walking.
Thank you.
Maybe he looked for that, ha? Okay, thank you. Ayu. Guys. So, hindi ko alam kung ano laman. I don't know what's inside the bag. He just left. I calling him, Uncle, you left your bag. But he's not looking back, ma. So, let's see. I go up again. Ayo. So, later guys, I'll come back to you. Okay, bye.